All right, let's see. All right, what's going on, everybody? All right, so what we're gonna do real quick for my nerd channel, solo 730 knows stuff. We're gonna use ChatGPT to create a thumbnail for this new Pac-Man video I just did a review slash tutorial for. So I think I did this already, but we're gonna do it again since I got to do it anyway. So I might as well record myself doing it. So we on ChatGPT. On ChatGPT, you go ask anything, and you're gonna put. This is what they call AI prompting, but in the simplest form. Create a YouTube thumbnail for a video game stream, I guess. Video game tutorial for, I'll put this in quotation marks, Pac-Man. Create a YouTube thumbnail for a video game tutorial for Pac-Man. All right, let's go see. Vote up when you see me, and we gonna see. It might ask me for more information. All right, processing image. Sometimes when it does this, it's really, really slow. Sometimes you don't even get an image. I ain't gonna lie. Sometimes you don't even get an image. So we'll see. We're gonna see how long this is gonna take. I'll probably edit this part out, but we'll see. I'll be like SpongeBob. 15 minutes later. All right, we got something. Something just popped up. Pac-Man tutorial. Oh, I like it. I like it. I like it. How big is this file though? All right. I don't know how big the file is, but I like to ask this question. Can you make the file smaller? I don't know. People say please to ChatGPT. I don't know why, but we're gonna do that. The file. Can you please make the file smaller? Because when you doing a thumbnail, it has to be a small file. Now it gave us a compressed thumbnail image. So what we gonna do? I'm gonna save both of them. I'm gonna download this one. That looks pretty small though already. I probably didn't need to compress it. Anything with kilobytes is small. All right. So that's pretty much that. And that's how you make a thumbnail. So the thumbnail should look like this. And we gonna see. GG.